Hello, good morning, students. So, in previous lecture, we have started chapter 8 of class 8 in our grammar portion, and the chapter name is the correct use of tenses. So, we have learned present tense and past tense in the previous lecture. Now, in this lecture, we will learn future tense in detail. I hope that you have revised present tense and past tense and the sentence formation of both the tenses. Now see the future tense. We will see here future simple यानी कि future indefinite tense, the future progressive that means future continuous tense and the future perfect tense. So, the future simple or the future indefinite is used for an action which is to take place at some future moment. फ्यूचर में आप कोई एक्शन या कोई एक्टिविटी करने वाले हो वो इंडिकेट करने के लिए हम फ्यूचर सिंपल टेंस यूज़ करेंगे. लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल्स. वी शैल प्ले अ मैच ऑन संडे. संडे के दिन हम मैच खेलेंगे. शी विल रीच हियर इन द इवनिंग. वो यहाँ पे शाम तक आएगी. सो दिस बोथ द सेंटेंसेस आर इन फ्यूचर सिंपल टेंस. नाउ फ्यूचर प्रोग्रेसिव that means future continuous tense. Here we will use ing with verb. The future progressive or the future continuous is used for an action which is to begin before and finish after a certain future moment. फ्यूचर प्रोग्रेसिव और फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस टेंस मतलब कि फ्यूचर के अंदर कोई एक्शन स्टार्ट हुई है और फ्यूचर में ही वो थोड़े टाइम बाद फिनिश होने वाली है. अ सर्टेन फ्यूचर मोमेंट. लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल्स. द सन विल बी शाइनिंग व्हेन यू गेट अप. वी शैल बी वेटिंग फॉर यू व्हेन यू कम बैक. शी विल बी लिविंग इन लंडन एट दिस टाइम नेक्स्ट ईयर. Now here I am telling you some more examples of future progressive or future continuous tense. They will be making preparations for their exams. He will be feeling good tomorrow. She will be singing a song for the audience. They will be playing football in the playground. I will be writing a report. He will be planning about his studies. You will be working as an engineer in that organization or in that institute. Students will be learning new lessons next year. He will be expecting good behavior from you and he will be coming here. There are a lot of examples of future progressive or the future continuous tense. Some examples you can practice yourself also. Now see the future perfect tense. Now what is future perfect tense? The future perfect is a verb form or construction used to describe an event that is expected or planned to happen before a time of reference in the future. That means के फ्यूचर के अंदर स्टार्ट होने वाली कोई एक्टिविटी या कोई एक्शन फ्यूचर में ही कुछ टाइम में कंप्लीट हो जाएगी, उसको इंडिकेट करने के लिए हम फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस यूज़ करते हैं. The future perfect is used to say that something will be completed before a particular time in the future. फ्यूचर में कोई पर्टिकुलर टाइम से पहले एक्शन कंप्लीट हो जाएगी. इट इज़ नॉर्मली यूज्ड विथ अ टाइम एक्सप्रेशन बिगिनिंग विथ बाय एंड द फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस इज यूज्ड विथ बाय. You can see the examples. I shall have finished my work by evening. And she will have reached home before sunset. Or you can say she will have reached home by the time of sunset. Here I am telling you some more examples too. Like she will have fallen asleep by the time we get home. And I shall have gone by then. Will you have finished when I get back? Actually this is last one is an interrogative future perfect sentence. Now see the exercise. Use the correct tense form of the verbs given in brackets. You can see perfect formation of each and every sentence or each and every tense is given here. You can see present simple you have to use V1 plus S or ES after V1. That means after verb. Or in past tense, past simple, you have to use V2. Or future simple, will, shall plus V1. You have to practice these sentences yourself. Now see, we never use will, shall in a clause that begins with a temporal conjunction. Temporal conjunction here means time related conjunction, जो conjunction time indicate करता है. Before, after, for example, before, after, while, when, as soon as, if, until, till, etc. So, look at the following examples. The crops will die before the rains fall. It is correct sentence. And the second one, the crops will die before the rains will fall. Here you can see the rains will fall is incorrect sentence, because before the sentence we have used before, and before indicates the time. So it is time related conjunction. It is joining both the sentences. So we never use will, shall in a clause that begins with a temporal conjunction. जो clause time के साथ या time indicate करती है उसके साथ हम will, shall use नहीं कर सकते. Second one, I shall help if he comes to me. I shall help him if he will come to me. That is incorrect sentence, because in this sentence if is temporal conjunction. That means it is indicating the time. Third one, we shall light the fire when it gets dark. Second, we shall light the fire when it will be get dark. When it will get dark. That is incorrect sentence, because here when indicates the time. That means it is temporal conjunction. Now, sentence that have in them an if clause. If clause, that means we use if for any condition, are called conditional sentences. Not the verb pattern in conditional sentences. Conditional sentences के अंदर verb pattern, हम sentence format कैसे करेंगे उसकी pattern दी हुई है हमें. You can see if clause and main clause. First, V1, for main clause it is will, shall plus V1. V2, for main clause it is would and V1. And third one, had plus V3, and main clause would have plus V3. Now, in tenses, to format any sentence, you have to prepare all the verb forms like V1, V2 and V3, so that you can form any sentence easily. Look at the following examples. If he comes, I shall help him. In this sentence, there are two clauses. You can see first one is if clause and second one is main clause. So, first we have used V1 and second we use will, shall or plus V1. If he comes, I shall help him. If he came, I would help him. If he had come, I would have helped him. Second, if she works hard, she will pass. In if clause, you can see work is a verb 1, and in the second one, she will pass. It is main clause. If she worked hard, she would pass. If she had worked hard, she would have passed. So these all are conditional sentences because each and every sentence is starting with if clause. So you have to prepare this table for formatting a sentence. Now see unless and if not. So we never use not in a clause that begins with unless. ऐसा clause जो unless के साथ start होता है उसमें हम not use नहीं कर सकते, because the word unless is itself a negative word. You can see examples. Unless you do not start at once, that is incorrect sentence, because in the starting of sentence or a clause we used unless. So we cannot use do not. Start at once, you will be late. That is incorrect sentence. But the correct one is unless you start at once, you will get late. So if you do not start at once, you will get late. We can use not with if because it is conditional sentence. Second, unless you did not work hard, you couldn't pass. That is incorrect sentence because we cannot use not or do not with unless. Second one is unless you worked hard, you couldn't pass. That is correct sentence. And with using if you did not work hard, you couldn't pass. We can use did not or do not with if. Or simply we can use not with if only. Now look at this exercise. Supply if or unless in the following sentences. So let us practice some sentences. He will come dash you ring the bell. So we will use if here. He will come if you ring the bell. Second, he won't come dash you ring the bell. We will use unless here. He won't come unless you ring the bell. Third, I will go to the door if I hear the bell. Fourth, you can learn much if you work harder. Fifth, I won't go to the door unless I hear the bell. Sixth, you can't learn much unless you work harder. 7. I shall not write to him unless he writes to me. 8. If you were a bird, you would live in trees. 9. Unless you take a taxi, you can't reach in time. 10. He would have come if you had invited him. You have to write this exercise in your notebook also. Let us see further. Exercise 2. Write the other two forms of each sentence as shown in the first. First, if you play the piano, I will sing. If you played the piano, I would sing. If you had played the piano, I would have sung. So you have to practice this all the sentences with the use of above example. It is given in the textbook. Now see the last exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct tense form of the verbs given in brackets. So we have learned present tense, past tense, future tense and all other tenses which are part of present, past and future tenses. So you have to make sentences by your own. Here we will practice first 5 sentences. Look, the bell in bracket ring just now. So the bell has rung just now. Second, we in bracket see a movie last night. So simply we will use we saw a movie last night. Third, I in bracket write letters since morning. So we will use I have been writing letters since morning. Fourth one, they in bracket live here since January. And the answer is they have been living here since January. Fifth one, it in bracket rain when I reached home. So the answer is it was raining when I reached home. So rest of the sentences you have to practice yourself. And our chapter, the correct use of tenses, is completed here. Read and revise it once again. Practice some more sentences. Thank you.